On a quiet evening, as the stars shimmered in the night sky, a little girl named Iris lay in bed, holding her favorite book close to her heart. She loved stories, fairy tales, adventure tales, and tales of faraway lands. But tonight, the greatest story of all was about to find her. Iris turned the page of her bedtime book, but something strange happened. The words vanished. The letters floated off the page like tiny glowing fireflies, swirling in the air.
Where are the words going?
Iris, the Library of Lost Stories needs your help.
Before she could ask another question, a golden book-shaped portal opened beside her bed, swirling with sparkling pages. With a deep breath, Iris stepped inside. Iris found herself standing in the most magnificent library she had ever seen. Shelves stretched higher than the sky, filled with books that whispered and glowed. Tiny golden quills floated, scribbling words into the air, and staircases rearranged themselves as if leading to hidden stories yet to be told.
Ah, Iris, just the girl we need. Some of the world's most important stories have been lost, and only you can help bring them back.
I love stories. How do I help?
You must solve the riddle of the missing tales and find the lost words. Are you ready for the challenge?
Iris nodded eagerly. The owl flapped its wings, and a giant book opened, revealing a glowing riddle.
A book.
Brilliant! But the stories are still incomplete. One more riddle.
A library.
The entire library shimmers with golden light, and the missing words magically return to their books. As the stories found their way home, the library filled with a soft hum of magic, and Iris felt warmth in her heart. She had saved the stories for children everywhere.
You are a true guardian of stories, Iris. Thank you. Whenever you open a book, know that stories are always waiting for you, and so are we.
The golden book portal swirled open, and before Iris knew it, she was back in bed, still holding her favorite book. She opened it again. This time, the words were all back, safe and sound.
Good night, Professor Whimsy. See you in my dreams.
Good night, Iris. Sleep well, little storyteller. Your next adventure awaits.